You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from music. If you want to learn more music vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. It's the name of the song as well, and it means you kind of lower the intensity of your musical sound. From Italian, decrescendo. In English, the pronunciation is as decrescendo. D-cre-shen-do. The stress is on the shen syllable, 4 syllables. Overall, let's listen carefully. Decrescendo, decrescendo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.